Welcome back sa ating week 2 na lesson. So we're now on part 3 and our objectives. Determine arithmetic means. Find the sum of the terms of the given arithmetic sequence. So let us define first what is an arithmetic mean. These are the terms between any two terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, ito yung mga nasa gitna na sequence. So, let's have our example. Let's insert the appropriate terms in each of the following sequence. 7, then blank 15. So, ano yung ating arithmetic mean doon? What is the answer? The answer is 11, since 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So, nag-a-add ka ng 4. Then, 11 plus 4, and that is 15 for the third term. Next, 20, blank, blank, 35. So, ano yung ating i-insert? What are the arithmetic means? We have 25 and 30. So, why? Since 20 plus 5 equals 25, and 25 plus 5 equals 30, so nag-a-add ka ng 5. Next. Oh, this time you have to use the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. What are the three arithmetic means between negative 8 and 12? So, gamit tayo ng formula this time. So, again, meron tayong dalawang given na terms. So, our a sub 1 is negative 8. Then, a sub n is equal to 12. Then, n is equal to 5. So, we're looking for d. So, paano natin masosolve ang ating d? So, ayan, pwede mo yung gamitan ng slope formula or pwede mo rin gamitan ng mismo na formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, let us solve this. So, substitute mo lang. Your a sub n is 12. Then, your a sub 1 is negative 8. Then, your n is 5. Minus 1 mo yon, then your given d is the unknown. So, ito yung ating isosolve. Solve for d. Uunahin natin i-simplify yung nakaparenthesis, that is 5 minus 1. And that is 4. Then, 4 times d yun. Magkatabi sila. Then, after ma-simplify yon, mag-APE ka, mag-a-add ka both side ng 8, right and left. So, positive 8 sa kanan, positive 8 sa kaliwa. So, yung nasa right side mo, magsisiro na yon, matitira yung 4D. Dito naman sa left side mo, 12 plus 8, and that is 20. Kaya, meron tayong 20 is equal to 4D. Then, DPE na tayo, division property of equality. Divide both side by 4. Ayan, makakancel na yung nasa right side, matitira yung D. Then, therefore, yung 20 divided by 4, that is 5. So, our common difference is 5. Now, ito naman yung ginamitan ng slope formula. Of course, you have to get the same answer. We have 12 minus negative 8 over 5 minus 1 is equal to 20 over 4, and that is 5. Okay, since nakuha na natin yung common difference natin ay 5, what are the three arithmetic means between negative 8 and 12? So, you have your negative 3. Bakit negative 3 yon? Negative 8 plus 5. Yung meron kang negative 3. Then, we have 2. Bakit 2? Negative 3 plus 5. Meron kang positive 2 na sagot. Then, yung kasunod nun, 7. Bakit 7? 2 plus 5, that is 7. Okay, so if you wanna check your answer, ayun na siya, yung solving. Okay. So again, yung arithmetic mean, yung ini-insert natin sa gitna na sequence. So dito naman, this time, we will get the sum of the arithmetic series or progression. So i-define muna natin yung sum of the arithmetic series. A finite portion of an arithmetic progression is called a finite arithmetic progression and sometimes called arithmetic progression. The sum of the finite arithmetic progression is called arithmetic series. So dito, we're going to add all the sequence. Then that's the sum. Pag in-add mo lahat yung given, yun ang pinaka-total niya. So pag in-add mo yung lahat, yung finite arithmetic progression, yun ay tinatawag nating arithmetic series. So let's have our example. So finite, sabi nga natin finite. So ito yung nag-e-end. Nabibilang mo yung given na sequence. If the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, what is the sum of these 6 terms? So add mo lang yan. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 and the total is 105. So yun na yung sum. Ganun kasimple. Now, kung gagamitan mo naman siya ng formula, we have the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 times to the quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. Where S sub n, yun ang summation of all terms. A sub 1, the first term, and the position of the given term. Then D, the common difference. So let us now get the summation using the formula. So the same sequence pa rin yung ating i-add. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 lang yung ating sequence na given or terms na given. So gamitan na natin ng formula. So since the given are 6 terms, S sub n is S sub 6. So 6 kasi yan, kaya S sub 6 tayo. So again, i-recall natin, yung a sub 1 is 5, yung first term na yun. Then n is equal to 6 kasi 6 na term yan, kaya 6 siya. Then your a sub n is 30. Yung pinaka-30 mo, gagamit ka yung last term. Yun ang yung nagre-represent ng a sub n. Now, let us show the solution. S sub 6 is equal to 6 over 2. So, nag-substitute tayo ng mga values. Then, yung 5, yung first term mo, plus the last term, that is 30. So, after you substitute all the values, simplify mo lang. 6 over 2 is 3 times 35. Then, you have S sub 6 is equal to 105. So, the same answer ang syempre ang makukuha mo using the formula. So, ayun nga, you can add all the terms or you can use the formula. Question? Now, let's proceed to example 2. Find the sum of the integers between 10 and 100 which are divisible by 3. So, what are the numbers divisible by 3 between 10 to 100? So, isipin natin, let us think, ano-ano kaya ang mga sequence na divisible sa gitna ng 10 at 100. So, yung 10 natin, that is not divisible by 3, so hindi natin siya pwedeng gamitin. Ganon din yung ating 100. That is not divisible by 3. Pag dinivide mo yan sa 3, hindi exact yung sagot niyan. Now, so, our first term will be 12. Bakit 12? Kasi 12 divisible by 3 yan. Then, yung our last term will be 99. 99 is divisible by 3. Now, so, to get the summation of this arithmetic series, you have to identify first pang ilan ba yung 99 natin sa sequence. So, let us find the value of n. Again, we will use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, substitute all the values. So, a sub n is 99. Bakit 99 siya? Ito yung ating last term. Yung last term natin, hinahanap natin pang ilan ito sa sequence. Then, your first term is 12. That's your a sub 1. Then, you're looking for n minus 1. Your n. Then, your common difference is 3. So, simplify mo muna yung nasa parenthesis. You have to multiply n times 3 and negative 1 times 3. And your answer is 3n minus 3. Then this time, you have to add like terms. Yung parehong numbers, you have to add. Or you can combine. So, in this case, magsusubtract ka kasi pwede pagsamahan yung by subtraction. That is 12 and negative 3. So, we have 12 minus 3 and that is 9. So, we have 99 is equal to 9 plus 3n. Now, paano natin makukuha yung n natin? You have to subtract 9 to both sides of the equation. Minus 9 sa kanan, minus 9 sa kaliwa. So, makakancel yung nasa right side natin. Yung sa left side naman natin, 99 minus 9, and that is 90. So, bring down mo lang yung 3n. Now, this time, magdi-divide na tayo. That is DPE. That is division property of equality. Para makuha natin yung value ng n, divide both sides by 3. So, cancel na yon. So, we have n. Then, 90 divided by 3, you have n is equal to 30. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating n is 30. Yung 99 is pang 30 siya na sequence. Okay, so this time, we can able now to solve the summation. Kompleto na yung ating mga dapat mailagay sa formula. So again, your a sub 1 is 12. Ito yung ating unang term. Yung a sub 30 mo is 99. Yung n is equal to 30. And we're looking for s sub n, yung summation. Using the formula, s sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. So again, a sub 1 first term, a sub n your last term. Then substitute all the values. Your a sub n will become s sub 30 kasi we have 30 terms in the sequence. Then yung numerator mo na n over 2 will become 30 over 2. Then yung first term mo is 12 and your last term is 99. Then after all you substitute all the values, you have to simplify. Yung 30 over 2, that is 15. Yung 12 plus 99, that is 111. Then you can now multiply 15 times 111. Your answer is S sub 30 is 1,665. Okay, so we're done in our week 2 lesson. I hope you learned from the lesson that we discussed about sequence. So see you for the week 3 lesson.